In this video, I will show how to create number line in Microsoft Word document. So firstly, insert the table. Insert table and number of column 11, number of rows 2, then click on OK. Now insert the pipe. Now insert the number. Select this all. In the home tab, make it center. Select this first line. Change the size. Select the table and select no border. Insert shape this arrow line. Press and hold shift and draw the arrow. Select this black shape outline. Now click anyway. So this is the way you can create number line in Word document. Thanks for watching.